The silence from a major tech headquarters is often louder than in official press release, and right now, the silence surrounding a new urban wearable is deafening. We are sifting through a trail of crumbs left in regulatory filings and grainy leaked images. These clues point toward the massive shift for a company known for its hardcore athletic roots. This new device, which people are calling the street model, seems to be a complete pivot. It moves away from the rugged tanks we usually see on the wrists of elite runners. Instead of sharp angles and bulky frames, we see a sleek round display. It feels incredibly modern and fresh. It has this sporty yet refined aesthetic. It fits a morning commute just as well as a quick session on the treadmill. The silicone strap looks like it was made for 24-hour wear. That is the first big hint at what this watch is actually for. This isn't just a tool for a 2-hour workout. It is a companion for your entire life. The interface shown in these leaks is stripped back and minimal. It avoids the intimidating layers of data that usually define high-end sports watches. This tells me the brand is chasing a new crowd. They want the person who values wellness and daily balance. They care about holistic health more than raw competitive metrics. However, we have to remember that everything we know right now comes from early filings and rumors. The final version could change before it ever hits a store shelf. One of the biggest question marks is the lack of confirmed satellite tracking. If you have to bring your phone along just to map a jog, that might be a deal breaker for many. We also have zero information on the battery life. A slim, stylish frame often comes at the cost of a smaller battery. If this thing cannot survive a long weekend, it will face an uphill battle against established rivals. The community reaction has been a total toss-up. Some are excited to finally see a stylish, approachable option from a brand they trust. They want that legendary heart rate accuracy in a better-looking case. Others are worried that this is just a basic fitness tracker disguised as a premium watch. They're looking for those deep recovery insights the brand is famous for. If this new model can deliver world-class sleep tracking and stress management, it might carve out a perfect niche. It seems to be aiming for a mid-tier price point. That would make it an attractive alternative to the more expensive, complex models on the market. It is a gamble on the idea that users want simplicity and style over 100 different sport profiles they will never use. We are watching a legacy brand try to reinvent itself for the city streets. It is a fascinating move. It proves the wearable market is changing. We are moving away from just counting miles. We are moving toward understanding our bodies on a deeper level. Until we get the official announcement, we can only speculate on whether this device will be a game changer. We have to see if the final product can actually live up to this sudden wave of interest. It is a bold move into a crowded market, but if they get the sensors right, it could be the perfect bridge between a fashion piece and a serious health tool. We are waiting for the substance to match the style.